All right, let's move on and talk about the Chief Minister there. Of course, when it comes to common man who has been repeatedly raising issues as far as flights are concerned, their delay, and of course what had happened as far as the treatment with them is concerned. But this is a Chief Minister, no less, who had to go through the similar experience. A Delhi-bound Indigo flight carrying the Jammu and Kashmir Chief Minister, Omar Abdullah, was forced to circle in the air hours before being diverted to Jaipur, a detour that ended close to 3 a.m. And a seasoned politician here, like Mr. Omar Abdullah, wasn't holding it back. He took to social media and he expressed his frustration, where he slammed the congestion, the delay and the lack of clear communication. He posted a picture of himself standing on the aircraft steps in Jaipur, saying that he's just trying to get fresh air while being stranded. He says that he's been using certain language and saying that please excuse my French because he's in no mood to be polite. And it was 3 hours that they were in the air after they left from Jammu and they got diverted. The flight that was supposed to land in Delhi was diverted to Jaipur. So 1 a.m. the flight was there in Jaipur, and by the time it could get to its destination, it took longer than expected. So Delhi airport authorities meanwhile cited shifting wind patterns. There has been sudden change in weather as well, and air traffic flow has been affected, but the passengers across the board were furious, and it was just not in the skies. There was chaos that also reigned in at the Jammu airport, where weather-related cancellations and delays had caused a lot of overcrowding and confusion as well. But this is not the first time or even the last time that airline passengers have to go through such kind of pain of unexpected flight delays and diversion. And mainly the frustration adds because there is no communication or information being shared. However, the Chief Minister, Omar Abdullah, a Chief Minister, he's gotten a swift response from the Delhi airport on what went about, why was there a delay. Because now the Delhi airport has come out with their statement informing that several advisories were already issued regarding unseasonal changing wind patterns that have changed the operations, and flight diversion was due to runway being shut for upgradation process. And because of that, there were multiple reasons that have been cited. I mean, Pradeep is also with us right now. Pradeep, Delhi airport is one of the busiest airports in the country. By the time, be it in Delhi or in Mumbai, the process of landing, the process of taxiing, the process of getting the plane parked, and the process of coming out of the plane takes longer than expected time. But I guess the frustration of the Chief Minister here was that there was lack of information that came across, and the flight that was supposedly from Jammu to New Delhi may not be more than 1.5 hours long, had turned into, a frustration and ordeal that he rather took to social media to express that same.
Yes, you're absolutely right. If you take a flight from Jammu to Delhi, it normally takes 1 hour. Even if there is a congestion, that means one will keep on circling around the airport for about 1.5 hours or 40 minutes. It means the flight can be about 2 hours. But here in this case, what Omar Abdullah has mentioned in social media posts, that it was for 3 hours. He kept on circling at the Delhi airport, and finally it was sent to flight was diverted to Jaipur. And at Jaipur, he has taken already a selfie. He said that finally he was able to breathe some kind of a fresh air. He is not sure by what time he'll be reaching Delhi. But what we had got to know is that by 3 a.m., finally the flight landed at Delhi airport. That means it took several hours for him to reach Delhi from Jammu, which normally takes about 1 to 1.5 hours at the most. But that's one of the reasons that he was fuming with anger, and his frustration was quite visible at the social media post. Though Delhi authority has come out with an explainer, they are trying to justify things, saying that it was because of the changing wind pattern, and second, that there is already upgradation process going on at runway number 10 and runway number 28. And then there is also the construction work going on at Terminal 2, because of which the traffic has been diverted to Terminal 1. And because of this reason, sometimes there is a space constraint, and keeping in view the safety and security of the passengers, they had to divert the flight to Jaipur. But this is not first time that this thing has happened. You rightly said that, because for the last several days we had come across so many issues that the passengers are facing. Just few days back also, when there was a dust storm, we saw that there was total confusion and chaos both at Terminal 2 and Terminal 3. We saw that how the passengers had been waiting for longer hours, and every time the passengers had been complaining that there is no communication either from the airport authority or either from the airline side. And that time also they said in a digital age, neither they got any WhatsApp message, nor they got any SMS, nor anybody at the airport was helping them to know what exactly is going on, why the things are getting delayed. So that it took them about 8 to 10 hours to stay at airports. So no kind of help was provided to them. So common man is also suffering, and this time it was the Chief Minister Jammu and Kashmir. That's one of the reasons that he got immediate response. The question arises, are they going to respond in the same manner to the common man also? Because already they have also put out their frustration on social media on several occasions, saying the kind of problem they are facing. So
Yes.
that one question they are asking is that why there is no communication. Second is that they know that if it will lead to some traffic congestion, they should have at least started upgradation work on first runway, and then they should have switched over to the runway number 10 or 28. That would have been much better than starting work at the same time, not realizing that there is so much traffic at Delhi airport, the capital, which is the capital city of India. So in such a situation, they will not be able to handle things properly. It will lead to inconvenience to the people. So why they are doing so? So they have no answer to that. Let me see what will be the response of Umar Abdullah, because he has already got the response from the Delhi Airport Authority. See how the Umar Abdullah is going to react. But yes, he was fuming with anger. His frustration was seen there on social media when he put out a post. And the same kind of the problem every day almost the passengers are
Yes,
facing.
but Pradeep, it more seems like a standard response that is now coming in. Meanwhile, from the airport authorities themselves, whenever an individual raises questions of flight delays or cancellations or no information being shared, it more than less it looks like a standard response that is now coming in from the IGI airport as well. So thank you very much for the moment for joining in.